entropy. The moon's awake now, with eyes wide open. My body is craving, so feed the hungry. I've been devoting myself to you Monday to Monday and Friday to Friday. Not getting enough retribution or decent incentives to keep me at it. I'm starting to feel just a little abused, like a coffee machine in an office. So I'm gonna go somewhere cozy to get me a lover and tell you about it. Here's all she wants in the closet. Open up and set us free. Here's all she wants in your closet. Let it out so it can breathe. Sitting across the bar, staring right at her prey. It's going well so far, she's gonna get her way. Nocturnal creatures are not so prudent. The moon's my teacher, and I'm her student. To look at the single man, I got on me a special radar. I'm the fire department hotline in case I get in trouble later. Not looking for cute little divas or rich city guys, I just want to enjoy having a very good time and behave very bad in the arms of a boy. Here's all she wants in the closet. Open up and set us free. Here's all she wants in your closet. Let it out so it can breathe. So as she's in disguise, so as she's in disguise, so she